Hello, some people ask me about my ground station setup, and today I'm in a field. My airplane uses two main frequencies, which are 868 MHz for my Express LRS and 1.3 GHz, and to be exact, channel 1240 MHz for my video transmission. So if we start with my radio, it's Taranis X9D Plus. It's quite an old one. This particular one was manufactured in 2016, flashed with Express LRS firmware because I had many issues with R9M. So I had fail safes at 50 meters distance. I changed antennas, but it didn't help, so it turned out to be the firmware. I'm using TBS Diamond antenna. It worked fine for me for 50 kilometers. Also have an external battery mounted here because obviously Express LRS sucks a lot of current, and the internal battery of the radio is not enough to sustain proper function. Also, there is a Bluetooth module, HC05 to be exact. It is connected to the TX pin inside the radio and is fed through Express LRS. I use it to get the telemetry data from the airplane in telemetry viewer, which is on my phone. Is an antenna. This is Beta FPV antenna, and there is R9MX, which is used for as my Rex on Express LRS. All my video system is on Matic gear, Matix VTX and Matix VRX. I'm using retransmission system, no any wires, no any AV inputs, because it's easier to connect then, and other people may spectate it. Plus, I can use my goggles for this. I'm using 13 dBi Yagi antenna, which I bought on AliExpress. Then there is a TBS there is TBS notch filter, which cuts out my transmitter's signals from the video. Next, there is a 3D printed case. This is Matix video receiver, and from it goes the wire which goes to the 5.8 GHz video transmitter, which retranslates the signal on 25 milliwatts. Here is a 4S battery, 500 milliamps. Next one is my receiving part, which is Echine 5802D monitor with 3D printed sun hood because the original broke fairly easy. Here is a 2S 500 milliamps hour battery, which is used to power this monitor, and here is a bike holder for phone, which is used for my phone, obviously, because I monitor the air traffic through Flight Radar 24, and I have also the telemetry viewer on split screen. On the transmitting part, I'm using dipole antenna. There is also a Matic video transmitter with maximum output power of 600 milliwatts. Here it is. There is a little adapter, a 90 degrees adapter, but I measured it with an antenna and it doesn't spoil the SVR. This was the review of my ground station. Goodbye.